Hey digital diamonds, it's time for another digital jam. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back to Digital Healthcare Solutions, a healthcare network developed to equip, empower, and encourage a thriving digital healthcare nomad community. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for our overall health, but often overlooked, and that is the lymphatic system. If you're ready to explore this fascinating system, understand its functions, and learn how to keep it in tip-top shape, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll be a lymphatic system expert. Let's get started. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's address the obvious question: what is the lymphatic system? The lymphatic system is a complex network of tissues and organs that help rid the body of toxins, waste, and other unwanted materials. It's a critical part of our immune system, playing a significant role in defending the body against infections. Now, you might be wondering, why haven't we heard as much about the lymphatic system as compared to, let's say, the cardiovascular system? The truth is that while the cardiovascular system pumps blood rhythmically through the heart and blood vessels, the lymphatic system works quietly in the background, performing a plethora of essential functions that keep us healthy. So, how is the lymphatic system structured? The lymphatic system is composed of several key components, so let's review them. First up, lymph. A lymph is a clear, slightly yellowish fluid that circulates through the lymphatic system, carrying cells that help fight infections. Try to imagine lymph as a waste-collecting superhero, moving through your body and picking up unwanted materials. Next up, lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are small, bean-shaped structures that filter lymph and store white blood cells that help fight infection in our body. Think of lymph nodes as security checkpoints where lymph is examined, and any harmful substances are trapped and dealt with. Followed by lymph vessels. Lymph vessels are a network of tubes that transport lymph throughout the body. These vessels are akin to a series of highways connecting different parts of your body, ensuring the smooth flow of lymph. Then there's the thymus. The thymus is an organ located in the chest that produces T cells, which are essential for immune function. The thymus is like a training academy for immune cells, preparing them to defend the body. Now, onto the spleen. The spleen is the largest lymphatic organ in the body. It filters blood, recycles old red blood cells, and helps the immune system detect and fight pathogens. The spleen acts like a high-tech recycling center and a surveillance system rolled into one. And without further ado, the tonsils and adenoids. The tonsils and adenoids are lymphatic tissues located in the throat that help trap pathogens from the air and food we ingest. They are our first line of defense against ingested and inhaled pathogens. So, now that we have a better understanding of the organs that make up the lymphatic system, let's delve into purpose. The primary purpose of the lymphatic system is to maintain fluid balance in the body by collecting excess fluid and returning it to the bloodstream. It also plays a crucial role in the body's immune defense by transporting and filtering lymph, trapping pathogens, and producing immune cells. In essence, the lymphatic system is like the body's janitorial service, cleaning up fluids and debris while also acting as a surveillance system to detect and fight off infections. Without it, our bodies would be swamped with excess fluid and vulnerable to a myriad of infections. Interesting factoid: did you know the lymphatic system is also referred to as a secondary circulatory system? Well, it's true. The lymphatic system is sometimes referred to as the secondary circulatory system due to its role in fluid balance and transportation of immune cells, paralleling the blood circulatory system. This secondary circulatory system is vital for maintaining homeostasis and ensuring that our tissues remain healthy and free from toxins and pathogens. Fun fact: did you know that the lymphatic system can move around 3 liters of fluid per day? That's about half of the total blood volume in the human body. Understanding this system's capacity highlights how vital it is to keep it functioning optimally. Imagine carrying around a 3-liter bottle of soda. That's how much lymphatic fluid your body processes daily. This fact underscores the importance of a well-functioning lymphatic system in maintaining our health. Let's break down how the lymphatic system functions, step by step. First, there's our lymph formation. Fluid from our tissues enters the lymphatic capillaries, forming lymph. This process begins at the microscopic level, where tiny lymphatic capillaries absorb excess fluid from tissues. Second, we have our lymph transport. Our lymphatic vessels transport lymph through the body. These vessels have valves that prevent backflow, ensuring one-way movement towards the heart. The lymph is pushed along these vessels by the contractions of surrounding muscles and the vessel walls. Third, we move into the filtration. Our lymph passes through lymph nodes, where immune cells filter out pathogens and debris. This step is crucial for identifying and neutralizing potential threats before they can spread. Fourth, our immune response, lymphocytes, that's B cells and T cells, within the lymph nodes, respond to pathogens by producing antibodies or attacking infected cells. This response is tailored to the specific pathogens detected in the human body's lymph. And lastly, the lymph drainage. Lymph is eventually returned to the bloodstream through the subclavian veins, ensuring fluid balance and removing waste from the body. This final step completes the cycle, returning cleaned fluid back to the circulatory system. Now let's identify diseases and conditions that are commonly associated with the lymphatic system. There are several conditions can affect the lymphatic system, including lymphedema, swelling due to lymphatic fluid accumulation, often in the arms or legs. This condition can be painful and debilitating if not managed properly. Lymphadenopathy, this is the enlargement of lymph nodes, usually in response to infection. Swollen lymph nodes are a common sign that the body is fighting an infection. Lymphoma, cancer of the lymphatic system affecting lymphocytes. This serious condition requires prompt medical attention and treatment. And infections, conditions like tonsillitis or lymphangitis, which are infections of the lymphatic vessels, highlight how vulnerable the lymphatic system can be to pathogens. Now, why is it important to understand and protect the lymphatic system? Because understanding and protecting the lymphatic system is far more crucial to our overall health than most people know of. Did you overlook how we mentioned that the lymphatic system is a key part of the immune system? Well, if you are scratching your head and remain perplexed about the knowledge and impact of the immune system, be sure to watch our video titled Defenders of the Immune System. Remember, the lymphatic system helps protect the body against infections and diseases. Without a properly functioning lymphatic system, the body would struggle to defend itself against pathogens. And this is a big deal. But being that you are a digital diamond, you not only read everything, but you also seek ways to expand your knowledge in all that you do. By understanding the importance of the lymphatic system and taking steps to protect it, it may very well be possible to enhance the immune function, maintain fluid balance, and support overall health. It is important to understand fluid balance. Being that the lymphatic system helps maintain fluid balance in the body, it's also important to understand that a healthy lymphatic system collects excess fluid from tissues and returns it to the bloodstream. If this fluid is not properly collected and drained, it can lead to swelling and edema, which can cause discomfort and other health issues and conditions like lymphedema. It is important to understand nutrient absorption. Understanding that the lymphatic system plays a role in the absorption of fats and fat-soluble nutrients from the digestive system, and how these nutrients are transported through the lymphatic vessels before entering the bloodstream, ensuring that the body receives essential vitamins and minerals, is also another big deal. Waste removal, also known as detoxification, is imperative to understand. Detoxification helps in removing toxins and waste products from the body, promoting overall health. By filtering the lymph through lymph nodes, the system can trap and neutralize harmful substances, preventing them from causing damage to the body. But neglecting the health of our lymphatic system can lead to a range of issues, from minor infections to serious chronic conditions like cancer. Lymphatic health is important in cancer prevention and management. The lymphatic system can help detect and destroy cancerous cells before they spread. Additionally, understanding the pathways of the lymphatic system is crucial for diagnosing and treating cancer, as cancer cells often spread through lymphatic vessels. So here are 10 foods to support a healthy lymphatic system. Leafy greens, like kale and spinach, are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that support immune function. Citrus fruits, like oranges and lemons, are high in vitamin C, which boosts immune health. Garlic, as we know, has both anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Berries, like blueberries and strawberries, are packed with antioxidants and vitamins. Nuts and seeds, like almonds and chia seeds, provide essential fatty acids and nutrients. Cruciferous vegetables, like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, contain compounds that support detoxification. Ginger, also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric, which contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Green tea, relaxing and rich in antioxidants that help protect our cells. And watermelon, for hydrating and helping to flush toxins from the body. Now, here are foods to avoid to support a healthier lymphatic system. Processed foods, like packaged meats and snacks, are often high in sodium and preservatives that can cause fluid retention and inflammation. Sugary snacks and drinks, excess sugar can lead to inflammation and weaken the immune system. High-fat dairy products, like cheese and butter, can contribute to inflammation and congestion in the lymphatic system. Red meat, this can be inflammatory if consumed in large quantities. Alcohol, yep, we said it, alcohol dehydrates the body and can impair immune function. Refined carbohydrates, like white flour, white rice, white bread, and so much more, can spike blood sugar levels and lead to inflammation. Salty foods, excessive salt can lead to fluid retention and bloating. Fried foods, yep, fried foods are high in unhealthy fats that can cause inflammation. Artificial additives and preservatives, like the widely used flavor enhancer MSG, commonly found in instant noodles, chips, fast foods, and again, so much more, can be harmful and trigger immune responses. Caffeinated beverages, in excess, caffeinated beverages can dehydrate the body. So now that we better understand what foods to consume, and equally important, which foods to avoid, what additional disciplines are needed to improve the body and the lymphatic system. Rest and hydration. Rest, adequate sleep is essential for maintaining a healthy lymphatic system. During sleep, the body repairs itself, and the lymphatic system helps remove waste products from the brain and other tissues. Lack of sleep can impair these functions, leading to a weakened immune system and increased susceptibility to infections. And hydration. Proper hydration is crucial for the efficient functioning of the lymphatic system. Water helps thin the lymph, making it easier to transport waste and toxins out of the body. So staying hydrated ensures that the lymphatic system can perform its detoxifying and immune-supporting roles effectively. Understanding the lymphatic system and how to care for it is crucial for maintaining overall health. From the foods we eat to how we manage stress and staying hydrated, every little effort counts. Remember, a healthy lymphatic system means a robust immune system and a body better equipped to handle the challenges of daily life. Well, until next time, and as always, we hope and trust this information will be used and shared as a valuable tool as you strive to be a digital diamond. But no matter what you do, remember, because you strive to be a digital diamond, you read everything, your knowledge is broad and expansive, you attract success, and you create the life that you want to live. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel and being part of the digital healthcare nomad community. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Your support helps us create more great videos for you.